Good afternoon, sir. We are talking to Mr. Lalpuria from Indocount Industries. Indocount Industry has launched its collection. So we want to ask Mr. Lalpuria what this collection is all about. What is the inspiration of this collection?
Yes. So thank you, Textile Value Chain, with these questions. We are very excited to launch new collections in our both brands, Boutique Living and Layers. And we are aiming to see that how we can distribute more effectively our brand to Indian consumers with a lot of point of sale in not only the existing territories where we serve, but also to some new distribution areas where we would certainly launch our both the brands. And these brands which are catering to both the mid to high segment of the marketplace, and also Layers, which is a value driven brand which is serving the mass market, is making an attempt to see how we not only service the business with a better distribution and better product range, but also addressing the sustainable part of the businesses by bringing in, tencel, and which is a biodegradable fiber, and also some of the products with recycled fibers, to see that Indian consumers also start contributing towards this overall sustainability ecospace.
So this is all of the bedsheet range that you have in this segment. So what kind of fibers you use for this bedsheet, for the Layers and the tape?
So mostly we try to use Indian cotton because India has got a good supply chain for cotton, and in some of the ranges which are also where we use man-made fiber, we are making an attempt to see that how we can maximize use of biodegradable fiber like tencel, and we will also see to it that how other natural fibers like linen, hemp, and other innovative fibers which are coming across addressing the sustainable factors are being used in our product, to see that we provide not only the fashion side of the business, but also serving, as I mentioned, the sustainability part of the business.
Okay. So Indocount is always was in the export and still I think in the export, and now this is the retail brands and retail strategy you are planning. So what is the strategy for the retails you are planning? Indian retail.
So in retail, the brand is existing already on to 22 states. We are expanding and adding some new states for distribution. We are addressing to key customers in those states who have got large format stores and who have got a good presence of distribution of their own. We are addressing the multi-brand outlets, as well as we are addressing the large format stores, wherein we are finding good traction for our product base. We are offering them the newness in the product so that they can address to the millennial and the Gen Z crowd as well, which is upcoming. We also, on the distribution side, we are addressing boutiquelivingindia.com, our own website, wherein we are partnering with major e-platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and providing them with merchandise, and we are also attempting to see how we can promote our own D2C brand.
So recently you had a joint venture with the US company. So what is the motive and what is the strategy for that?
So it was an acquisition of an IP, that Pamsuta brand, which we acquired of late, which is a national brand in the US, existing for almost more than 178 years. The legacy and the heritage which it carries along with is very rich in tradition, and its brand recall value is almost more than 80% in US market. It is also registered in 45 other countries, being a long-standing brand. So it will provide us not only opportunity to promote in North America, but also to almost these major countries like Japan, Korea, Australia, Russia, Europe, UK, where it was doing business and it was addressing their own consumer base. It's an upscale brand. It addresses the premium segmentation, and with this brand we have elevated our product merchandise to the premium and branded segment as well, because earlier we were catering to the better and the best segment of the market. So now we have elevated to the premium and branded segment through this Vamsuta brand. So the Vamsuta brand will help us enriching our merchandise mix, our distribution base, and our branded base overall for the company in the coming years.
So it is the brand is also launched in India.
We have plans. We are making a study of the entire brand in order to launch first in the North American market. Whatever learnings which we do from this study, we will see that how we can imply to the Indian consumers, and we will also launch in India in time to come.
Okay. So currently Vamsuta is only for the export international markets.
Currently, yes.
So the production of this brand, where it is located?
The production will be done out of India, but this brand provides us an opportunity to get into other product mix as well, like say towels, rugs, windows, etc. Because not only the bedding being a brand, we can promote all these products, and where we are establishing